Alright folks, what kind of car we got here? I'm going to give you a little bit of a hint. I really don't know what it is. I mean, I do now, but I still don't. Check that out. It says Chrysler. I wish he would have opened the hood up on it. So we got 3 one-barrel carburetors, so I'm assuming that's a inline flathead 6. We got Chrysler hubcaps on it, and look at the paint he's did on the wheels. So this is a Chrysler of some kind that's been modified, very much modified. This is definitely a Restomod. Got the Chrysler logo or emblem right there, I should say. Nicely done car. Nicely done. Unusual shade of blue, but it works. It works on this car really well. Must be a 1927. That exhaust comes at the back. So you think this is some kind of little T-bucket or something? It's a Chrysler. Radial TAs on it. I can't tell you what this is. Alright folks, hope you enjoyed that. Yeah, drum brakes on it still. That's probably the original front axle, more than likely. Let's pan back and get you a little bit wider look at it. Bad folks, not too bad. Alright, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, that bell notification, little bing up at the top. When you hit that, it notifies you that there's a new video that I put out. I put out about 3 or 4 a week, sometimes 5, and so we've got a lot of stuff happening out here. So hit that bell, you'll get notified and you'll get to see the videos early. Alright folks, take care. I'm going to head on. I'm going to head up to the start line and see what's happening up there.